How to fix PayPal app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix PayPal app not working. So, the app may not work for several reasons. The first reason being your internet connection. Now, if your PayPal app is not working, first of all, check whether your internet connection is working or not. To do that, you can simply open any other app other than PayPal, which is an app that requires internet connection to work. So, you can simply go ahead and open any other app. You can open your Gmail, etc. and then check whether your internet is working on that app or not. Now, once you know that your internet connection is working and let's say PayPal is not working, you can try simply switching from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi or switching from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. Now, once you've done that, try opening your PayPal app, and if it still doesn't work, it may be due to the fact that your app is not updated or up to date. So to do that, first of all, go to your app store and then type in PayPal. After that, tap on the option PayPal and then make sure it says open instead of update. Now, if it shows update, it means that your app is not up to date. So simply tap on the option update and then update your PayPal to the latest version. Now, once your app is updated, try opening your PayPal app again, and if your app is still not working, what you can do is simply go to your settings. After that, scroll down until you see the option general and then go to iPhone storage. Now, once you've done that, simply scroll down and then try to find the PayPal app. Now, once you find the app, tap on it and then tap on the option offload app. Now, once you've offloaded the app, it will simply take some time to offload the app. Now, wait for this to be offloaded and then tap on the option offload app. Now, as you can see, once the app has been offloaded, tap on the option reinstall app. And then once you are done offloading and reinstalling app, in most cases, this will surely fix your problem. But in case your problem is still there, what you can do as a final resort is simply delete the app entirely and then reinstall the app by going to your Play Store and then downloading the app from there. So those are the ways on how you can fix your PayPal app not working. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.